Did you know that bed bugs can survive for months without feeding and are resistant to many types of pesticides? In fact, recent studies show that bed bugs don't even ingest poison. This means that traditional pest control chemical treatments may not be as effective as once thought. In a new experiment, only 12% of bed bugs died after being exposed to chemical treatment for over 10 days. That's not a very promising statistic. So what are you supposed to do then? According to industry experts, the EPA, Department of Natural Resources, HUD, Rutgers University, the University of Minnesota, and even the CDC, the preferred treatment for successful elimination of bed bugs is heat treatment. Heck, even the guys that tell you heat doesn't work tell you to put your clothes in the dryer on high heat for an hour during the preparation. Interesting logic, huh? My name's Jason Dillon. I'm one of the owners of Midwest Bed Bug Services. We have been treating bed bugs with heat for over 15 years now. It is the only thing that we do. Bed bugs have become a growing problem in the United States for many reasons, most of which I believe are made worse by the bad information that homeowners are getting about bed bugs, and that bed bugs are treated like taboo, which I do understand, I guess. Since bed bugs are a blood-sucking insect and don't ingest poison like other types of bugs do, we use a pressurized heat treatment to treat your entire home at one time. We do this by using a trailer-mounted 1.2 million BTU furnace to force 135 to 140 degree heat into your home at about 6,000 cubic feet a minute. This creates positive pressure, kind of like blowing up a balloon, and it'll force the heat all the way through walls and baseboards and flooring and furniture, get into every little nook and cranny of your home. Our process normally takes between 6 and 8 hours to treat your entire house. And once we're complete, your problem will be completely gone. We guarantee it. We warranty our treatment for 90 days. That way you know that the bed bugs are completely gone. Preparing for our heat treatment is simple. We want you to remove candles, aerosol cans, live plants, prescription medications, and things like vinyl records. The rest of the preparation is what we like to call cleaning like mom's coming over. It involves things like picking stuff up off the floor, taking out the trash, and reducing unnecessary clutter throughout the house. When we arrive at your house for treatment, we'll do a quick walkthrough to make sure that nothing was missed prior to starting treatment. I also want to note that we do not run logos on our vehicles and equipment. We're a very discreet service. I bet you're saying, Jason, this sounds great, but how much does it cost? And although that is a tough question without specific details on your house or apartment, I can tell you that it's probably a lot less expensive than you think. And since we're a bed bug removal company and bed bug heat treatment is the only thing that we do, we're able to keep the prices lower than the competition while maintaining a better result. We would love the opportunity to help you in your time of need. Advice from our knowledgeable staff is always free, and so are our estimates. So give us a call today. At least you'll know your options that way. Don't let bed bugs take over your home. Trust the experts at Midwest Bed Bug Services and choose heat for the best chance of getting rid of your bed bug problem.
The heat is on. The heat is on.